Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sikho Sikhao, Learning, Sharing, Growing Together. This is the video number 5 of the Angular series. And the video number 5 is What's New in Angular 20. So let's start. So basically in the Angular 20 we have signals and which has been introduced in Angular 17 plus. So that signals is now stable. Angular's new reactive system is officially production ready. Signals, computed signals, effects, linked signal to signals, and all this is the new features which has been introduced in the Angular 20. Debounce utility for signals prevent the unnecessary UI update during the rapid changes. Okay, so when in your application, if there is a rapid changes, then it's that debouncing utilities for signals prevents that one. Okay, and for that a function is there that is called debounce function. Cleaner project structure. Okay, default file suffix such as dot component dot service is removed from the file name for the simpler. Yeah, you can when you will be working on the Angular 20 and you will be mm, seeing that in the file structure now that earlier it was suppose you have a component name like home component, so it is home dot component dot ps, home dot component dot html, right? So that has been removed. Okay, so now you can see directly home dot html, but still if you want to write home dot component dot html, then you can do that one. So no issue in that. Okay, faster builds with new tooling. CLI now uses Angular slash build. Okay, so this is the new thing that has been introduced here, and which it is reducing the dependencies and improving the performance. Okay, let's go to the next point. Next point is enhanced dev tools. Okay, shows on push marker, defer block, and the prepares support for the signal debugging. Zoneless mode. So here either you can add the zone.js file for the better performance and the simpler debugging, or you can do it without zone.js file also. So it- it's not mandatory in the Angular 20 version and above. Okay. New async API like resource HTTP resource that has been introduced in the Angular 20, which actually helps in creating the async operation like the HTTP as a reactive signals. Okay, but this is for the experimental purpose. Okay, AI friendly tooling, metadata, MCP server improvements to supports advanced automation in the AI workflow. Okay, next one is improved debugging and the profiling. So okay, so here a new function has been introduced that is enable profiling API to analyze the change detection and the performance. So all these points, whatever I have mentioned here for you guys to prepare for the interviews, or if in the interview if anyone is asking what are the new features that has been added in the Angular 2, so these are the points that you can explain there, and you can go deeper also. I'm not going in depth. In the upcoming video we'll go in depth for each points. Okay, so that is the end of the video number 5, what is Angular. Hope you have liked the video, and you have liked the video then please press the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Thank you.